Welcome back. We will be continuing with the second part of the Discord bot tutorial. Okay, to continue with that, you will have to create or have a Discord account. In case you have it, you can jump to the next section, don't worry. And well, if you don't have it, let's go to your browser. Let's go here to Discord and download. And here, well, in this case I'm using Windows 10. I'm downloading it for Windows. You can search for the version that you need for your operating system. And once downloaded, execute the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It will ask you for an email, a password, and in case that you want to give your mobile number, that's up to you. And confirm your account. Once you have done that, you can go to Discord and you will see something like this, the application running, and you will have like this main screen. Now you have to create a server. Here, click on this icon, go to create my own server, and you will create a server, or in this case, for you and your friends. Give it a name and create it. Once created, you will have something like this. You will have a text channel, a voice channel, and you can simply join the voice channel. Here you can check that your microphone is working properly. If not, configure it. And as you can see, I'm connected. For some reason it is not detecting the input from my microphone. Well, that's weird. Oh, there it is. Nice. Alright. And at this point you will have Discord installed and your own server. That's good. Now, what you want to do is create your bot. And for that you will see that I have this open. Here I am at the Discord developer portal. How do you get there? It's simple. You can just write Discord developer portal and go there, and here maybe you can click on it. This is like the documentation. If you're not logged in, you won't see an icon here. If that's the case, you go here to applications and it will redirect you in order for you to log in. Just simply give it the email and password that you used to register and you will be at this page. Alright, no problem. Here you have an overview of your applications. In my case I already have one, but in this case we're going to create a new one, new application. Press that button and give a name to your application. In my case, I will give it the name Chomps and click on create. Good. There is Chomps. Alright, here you can read the terms of service so that you do not do something bad with your application. And what else will we have here? We have the application ID, a public key, and well, we can copy that, but not for now. We're going here on the left to the bot option. Click on bot option, and here we're going to build a bot. And to build a bot, we have to press the button add bot. Press it and confirm that you want to build a bot. Okay. Once that we have done this, we have a confirmation message, and we have here like another overview, but in this case of the bot. Alright, read this carefully because, for example, here it says public bot. Public bots can be added by anyone, so anyone that has the URL that points to your bot will be able to invite your bot to their server. Alright? But if you want to have control over your bot, simply modify this, save your changes, and you will be the only one capable of inviting your bot. Alright? In this case, this is nice. What do we have here? Requires OAuth 2 code grant. If your application requires multiple scopes, then you may need a full OAuth 2 flow to ensure a bot doesn't join before your application is granted a token. Well, in this case, that's not a problem for us. Alright, just we change this value for now. If you have more curiosity, you can read the whole thing, take your time, no need to rush, and when you're ready, continue. Alright? Now we're going to the OAuth 2 option. In this case, we have the client ID shown in here, a client secret. You can reset it every time you want. Maybe you feel that it is not safe anymore or something happened, reset it and you can get another different value. For now we won't use it, it will be required later. Here we have to create an authorization link for the bot to invite it to your server or our server. In this case I'm going to click URL generator. Here we have this scopes section and we are going to activate the bot option, and here we have bot permissions. In this case we want the bot to be able to join voice channels and speak inside of the voice channels. We also want to grant the permission to send messages and to manage messages. Send messages maybe when the bot is playing to show a message in a text channel, and manage messages to let the bot to let him know that we want him to play an audio file or something like that. Alright? This way he will know. And lastly, you will have a generated URL here. This will be blurred, but you can simply copy that link. So what we did was grant the permissions for the bot to join our server, and what things can he do inside of the server. Now let's go and open this link to complete this process. Here it is telling me that it is trying to connect to my Discord server, and this case is telling me, is this you? Yes, that's me. You will have to check it with your Discord user ID or user tag, and here you will have to pick or choose the server that you're going to invite the bot. Okay, in this case I chose the server and click continue. And here review the permissions that you gave to your Discord bot. Send messages, manage messages, connect and speak. Simple. And authorize the access to your server. Take this, so of course you're a human, right? I don't know. Maybe you're just another life form. But you're following this tutorial, that's awesome. Alright, finished. Now you will have to check if the bot is inside of your server. Go to Discord and you will see that your bot is invited to your server, has access. Also the server has sent a welcome message to your bot, and that's it. Now you have Discord on your computer and you have created a bot and invited it to your server. Great. Well, I think this concludes this part of the Discord bot tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you